a very unique piece of equipment, the only piece of equipment of its type that I'm aware of. This is a robotic laser cladding system. It uses a 3 kilowatt class 4 laser in a micro welding process where a powdered material is melted and introduced to the weld puddle of the substrate. The focal point on this is a 1 millimeter diameter dot. This allows us to build up very small damaged areas without disturbing the metallurgy or the previous heat treat. We can fix the part without disturbing the part any more than is absolutely critical. With current supply chain issues, some parts are much longer lead time than they have been in the past. Some parts are no longer available and obsolete, and this piece of equipment allows us to utilize more core coming back through the building, which allows our carbon footprint to be reduced because we're buying fewer new components. This is applicable to virtually every product line that runs through the building: engines, fuel, hydraulics, and driveline. This technology is an example of our continued commitment to lowering the cost of ownership for the end user, providing a best-in-class warranty with an extended service life above and beyond the original life of the component.